Create an online course in 83 languages with one voice. Fish Audio Tutorial. Here is the truth. You do not need a recording studio. You do not need voice actors. And you definitely do not need to spend weeks dubbing your course into multiple languages. One voice, 83 languages. That is what Fish Audio can do right now. I am talking about creating a full online course, the kind that sells for hundreds of dollars on Udemy, on Teachable, on your own website, and you can make it happen in hours, not weeks. Let me explain. Most course creators hit the same wall. They spend weeks writing content. They spend more weeks recording themselves. Then they realize they are losing 80% of the global market because their course is only in English. The fix is simple. Voice cloning with Fish Audio. Here is how it works. You record a short voice sample, 10 seconds, maybe 20. Fish Audio analyzes your tone, your rhythm, your accent. Then it creates a digital clone of your voice. That clone can speak 83 languages, not robotic text-to-speech, not Google Translate with a computer voice. Your voice, your intonation, your personality, speaking Mandarin, Spanish, Arabic, German, French, Hindi, Portuguese, Japanese, every major language on earth. The technical part takes minutes. Let me walk you through the workflow. Step 1. Record your original English course. Use your natural voice. Do not worry about being perfect. You can edit later. Just get the content down. Step 2. Clone your voice in Fish Audio. Upload a 10-second clean audio sample. The platform processes it instantly. You now have a digital version of yourself. Step 3. Generate your translated scripts. Use any translation tool. ChatGPT, DeepL, Claude. Translate your course content into whatever languages you want to sell it. Step 4. Feed those scripts into Fish Audio. Select your target language. Paste the text. Hit generate. Your cloned voice speaks the script in perfect Mandarin, or perfect Spanish, or perfect anything. Step 5. Sync the audio with your slides or screen recordings. You already have the visual content from your original English course. Just replace the audio track. That is it. 5 steps. Your course is now multilingual. Here is what most people do not realize. The global e-learning market is worth over $300 billion, and it is growing every year. Most of that growth is in non-English speaking markets. Brazil, India, China, the Middle East, Southeast Asia. These regions are hungry for quality online courses, but they want them in their own language. With Fish Audio, you can capture that demand. 1 recording session, 83 languages, infinite sales potential. The quality is shockingly good. I tested it myself. I cloned my voice in 10 seconds. Then I generated the same script in Spanish, French, German, and Arabic. My Spanish-speaking friends said it sounded native. My French friends said the same. The voice carries emotion. It carries emphasis. It carries your unique vocal signature across language barriers. This is not a gimmick. This is a business machine. Let me share a real strategy. Create 1 flagship course in English. Price it at $197. Then create the same course in 10 additional languages. Each language version becomes a new product, a new revenue stream, with almost 0 additional production cost. 10 languages, 1 course, the same effort you already put in. The math is simple. Sell your English course to 50 people a month. That is roughly $10,000. Now add 10 language versions. Each one sells to 30 people a month. That is another $59,000 per month. From the same course, the same content, the same slides, just different audio tracks. The course creation industry is shifting fast. 5 years ago, you needed a studio. 3 years ago, you needed freelance voice actors. Last year, you needed AI tools that sounded okay but not great. Today, you need 10 seconds of your own voice and a Fish Audio account. That is the power shift happening right now in content creation. The same AI revolution that powers voice cloning is transforming every creative industry. Tools like Suno AI let you create music in seconds. Tools like InVideo generate videos from text. And once your creative work is ready, you need distribution. That is where platforms like DistroKid come in for music creators. But for course creators, the distribution is even simpler. Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, your own website. The platforms are already there waiting for your multilingual content. Here is what you should do right now. Go to Fish Audio. The link is in the description. Sign up. You get 8,000 free credits. No credit card required. Clone your voice. It takes 10 seconds. Then generate a short sample script in 3 languages, just to hear what your voice sounds like in Spanish, or French, or Japanese. I guarantee you will be shocked. The first time I heard my own voice speaking fluent Mandarin, I just stared at the screen. It felt impossible, but it was real. Then plan your course. Pick a topic you know well, something people pay to learn. Software skills, business strategies, creative techniques, language learning, anything where your expertise has value. Record the English version, clone it, translate it, publish it. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The opportunity has never been bigger. The global education market does not care where you live. It does not care what language you speak natively. It only cares about the value you can deliver. And now you can deliver that value in 83 languages, with one voice, your voice. Hit the link in the description. Try Fish Audio for free. 8,000 credits. No credit card needed. Build your course once. Sell it to the entire world. That is the play. Now, go execute. Let me address one common concern. People worry the cloned voice will sound fake. That students will notice. But here's what the data shows. Udemy courses with AI-generated audio are getting the same completion rates as courses with live recorded audio. The technology has crossed the uncanny valley. The reason is simple. When you clone your voice with Fish Audio, you capture your vocal DNA, your pitch variations, your natural pauses, the way you emphasize certain words. These micro-patterns survive the translation. So your Spanish course sounds like you speaking Spanish, not like a robot translating you into Spanish. That is the difference between old text-to-speech and real voice cloning. Another concern: quality control across languages. How do you know the Japanese version actually makes sense? Simple. You hire a native speaker to listen for 5 minutes, not to record, not to redo the whole course, just to verify. 5 minutes of their time, $50. That is all it takes to quality check an entire course. Compare that to the old way, hiring a Japanese voice actor, booking studio time, paying per finished hour, thousands of dollars per language. The economics have completely flipped. Here is one more tip that most people miss. Fish Audio supports voice design.